Yes, the what is the best way to solve the mouse problems? Yeah, we always sometimes have the mouse it doesn't work well. Yeah, so at the time we need just what is we need? Just two things. One, the hit the hip of the mouse. Two, just blow the mouse. The slap and blow. Yes, everything, every the problems will uh, be gone. Okay, so uh, what is the slap like this? Yeah, blow with your mouse. It's all problems gone. So why? Why is the malfunction? The first, yes, we double click, but it doesn't work. Well, the just one click, the suddenly two click. Yeah, is that the left button, the inside the micro button, but the dust they accumulate, dust increase. So first we they have to get rid of that the dust. That method, that way is the slap, strike, the backside mouse, like this, like this, or like this. Okay, so that problem will be gone. The other problem, field problem, we scroll down two or three times, but it goes in reverse. The suddenly upside. But why I wanted to just scroll downside, but the screen go upside. Why is this problem? The right next to the wheel, the both side, the right side, left side, there are the sensors. So again, the dust settles on their sensors. So you have to do this time to get rid of them again. So if we have the tools, other instrument, equipment like air spray, if we have the air spray using it, but don't have, no problem. Just using your body. The that's like the using the your hand, use your mouth. Just blow air to the both side sensors. Just your mouth to the wheel and blow, right blow, left blow. So dust gone. Blow dust out of sensors. Though the wheel problem is gone. Okay, next time.